Alright guys, this is what we got. I'm off on a mobile welding job and we're working on some more aluminum docks. It's got some damage and some cracks to it. These pieces used to be welded onto here. They've broken off on both sides. They were supposed to be like this. We're going to fix the damage. You can see it's got some tears here, bent. We're gonna have to pull it back, and we've got some broken welds. We're gonna have to grind those off, straighten that out, and we're gonna try to get ahead of the rain. And this is the setup I use in the back of my truck. I lay all my tools out in this basket when I'm not on a job. This just gets pushed back in there. And then I've got the generator to run all my power tools. That's a 8250 surge, 7250 continuous. Got my tank of argon and got a 50-foot lead coming out, and I got all my tools set up now. So we're going to start off by prepping these brackets first and get all these welds off, clean up all these welds. Let's see, turn the gas on. Oh, gotta choke it. Have to straighten this out a little bit, then grind this crack a little bit. Yeah, I think that's straightened out pretty nice. Oh yeah, that'll come into it good. Yep, that'll work nice. Just got to clean off this broken stuff here. Open, close this up so it opens that a little bit more, and I can get the grinder in there to get that weld out. Straighten out this. This one's got a little bend in it. There. There. We'll start wire wheeling this stuff. Check this out, guys. They actually missed a weld on the other side. You can see how that's got a weld there. They never welded it over here. We'll add to that for them. Make it a little better. And I'm using a stainless steel wire wheel that's only ever been used on aluminum. Now, although we've ground our parts, now we're gonna wire wheel them. Alright, that's how that goes. We're gonna give him a little more weld than he had before. So we're gonna wire brush everything. I got all the metal prepped. I got everything clamped, and just wanted you to see what I got here. And I'm gonna start welding everything back up, making it look good. And as I said, you can see how it's missing a weld right here, but you come over here and it has one. So we're going to add a lot more weld than what they did from the factory. If you're wondering what caused this to break, this section is connected to that section, and there was a plate that rigidly bolted the two together. So 2 holes here, 2 holes into those over there. And what happened was there was no give, so it ended up breaking the weld. So what I'm going to suggest that he does for this is put a bolt through here and through here, here and here, and use a nylon lock nut and just keep it loose so that this can pivot and move in and out and expand and contract. That was what was causing the problems from before. So I'm going with 17.9 volts, 102 amps. I'll try to get the thinner parts of the material first, and then we'll weld the thicker stuff on a little bit heavier after. I won't be able to hear me, but I'm running 30. Aluminum's real bad for you guys, so if you're welding it, make sure you're wearing a respirator. Even outside, don't take a chance. Turn my gas up just a little. Oh yeah, that's working good. Yep, that's working good. A lot of impurities. You can see all the black in there, but aside from that, that thing's working mint. What I want to do, guys, is pull this little gap together. And one way I could do it is just with a bar clamp, go from side to side, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clamp this right to here and then just squeeze it right there. That'll be perfect. There, that. And let me go get another clamp. I think we're going to beat the rain, hopefully. Yeah, see that? That'll work good. Should anyways. Might have to do it to the inside, but here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Let me clamp it to the inside. I think it'll work better. There. There we go, watch. It'll pull that right closed right there now. Or a little bit, yeah. There it is, right there. Aluminum's real bad for you guys, so if you're welding it, make sure you're wearing a respirator. Even outside, don't take a chance. Oh, this stuff's welding really nice, guys. Yeah, really nice. The customer had some aluminum plates that they wanted me to just weld in here to kind of strengthen this up, keep it from racking. So I've got the ends all cleaned up and I'm just going to put some stick welds all along it. I'm going to do that on this side, and I'm also going to do it here. So we'll probably have to cut the other ones fit in between this plaque. But like I said, it's supposed to get some rain today, and we beat the rain, so that was our goal. So we've got this nice and solid for him. So this, we're just going to spend a little extra time and get this stuff shored up, make it a little bit stronger. It's all good in there. Wish I would have brought a smaller wire brush. And up under here, there was a huge hole that I had to fill in, but I was telling the customer what I like to do is grind out the tops, weld it flush, weld it in, and then grind it flush, because you got to grind it flush so that decking goes back on it, but it just gives it more weld. And on this side, it hadn't even been welded at all, so we got that welded. So I got to cut it to fit, because this piece of aluminum right here is in the way, so we got to cut it. And here it is, guys, all complete. It's kind of brought up together like this. I guess what he does, he takes a tractor, hooks it to that side. You can see how it all has wheels. Then he just wheels the whole thing in the water. So I told him to leave this pretty loose until it's in the water. Then he can kind of pull it back together. But these bulkheads will add some additional strength on the back. And then if he just through bolts it through here with some washers and either double nutted or locking nut, that would work. Did the same thing on the back bulkhead. And there was some real big holes on this side that I had to fill in. Up on the top side, which you really can't see, I had to do like 5 passes over there to build it all in. And even on this side, I did additional weld on the tops. I filled them in, then ground them flush. Did some more weld, as you can see, down there to help strengthen everything up. And this should give them many years of reliable service. And that's it. Tune in for the next one. I'm sure there'll be more, guys.